Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Mohammad AminulSir. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I showed how to use manually. In this video, I would like to show you how to use Zotero reference management software easily. Well, in the beginning, you need to install Zotero in your desktop, and it is ultimately free, so easy to use. Well, in order to show how to put citation, I have taken MS Word documents, and after installing Zotero, you need to create Zotero library. For example, I have done so, and I have collected a couple of articles to cite. Now I will show you how to cite these articles. Well, in order to cite, you need to put your cursor here, then go to Zotero, then click on Add or Edit Citation. If you click it, then style will appear. For example, I would like to use Elsevier Harvard, then click OK. So then it will appear, then go to Classic View. See, my collections of articles appeared here. Then if you would like to cite this article, for example, I would like to cite this one, then select this and click OK. So this article has been cited. Now I would like to put on bibliography, for example, references, and put your cursor here, then click Add or Edit Bibliography. So see, your reference is appeared here. Your complete reference is appeared here. So this is how we can easily cite article using Zotero reference management software. That's for today. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Aminulchem Innovation.